The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
So guys, please confirm audio video. Audio video fine. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Thank you for the wait. So before we proceed for another set of video like yesterday, let me know how many videos you guys completed from yesterday's set. Please type the number 3, 4. Okay, good. Yet to start. No problem. Take your time, but don't take too much time. And have an overview and move on. That's it. Okay. Today you are going to get 3 more videos on process builder, and that's all. So try to see as early as possible wherever you are, outside, in the taxi, in the free time. Just watch on the mobile and leave it. So guys, let me tell you, this is the interview question which I'm going to discuss, which comes in many beginner level interviews, especially beginner level. What is lightning flow? So remember, first of all, I'll show you that automation. Where is that option in Salesforce? So 1 minute. Let me log into Salesforce. And where is that powerful and inbuilt automation we have? So I'm inside trigger. Sorry, I'm inside the setup. So now just type flow. You can see this one. This one. This is the area where we create that very powerful flows in the job market. Let me click. You can see lots of automation. Anyways, that we'll discuss step by step. So what you should say if someone is going to ask you what is flow, it's a default automation feature present in Salesforce by which we can perform so many powerful operations. When any user inserts or updates record in Salesforce. Okay. So it is same like workflow rule, process builder logic. What is the logic? That if some user is doing something, inserting, updating, then you perform a set of action. That's it. And the advantage for you guys for the current situation is, in the past we used to have confusion. In the past we people used to have confusion that whether to go for workflow rule. Now this task came in the office, whether should I go for process builder or flow. But now we don't have any confusion. Same for you, because now Salesforce abandoned workflow rule, process builder, and only remaining thing is flow. So where is the scope of confusion? Okay, where is scope of confusion? But in the past, this confusion used to happen. And that's why I told you to have a little bit idea about that interview question, like what is process builder, what is workflow rule, little bit information you should be having. Anyways, but while working practically, there is no confusion nowadays. Direct flows. That's it. Next. Now guys, in the flow, there are so many types. So first of all, let me tell you, this is the list of flows. Okay, whatever flows we can create, you can see list of flows. Meanwhile, let me show you that you can also explore the flows. This button, not that much right now required for you. In future you may try, but the most important is new flow, new flow. And now in the new flow, we are going to see what kind of options we have. Meanwhile, everyone confirm audio video. Okay. So now after this, let me tell you the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to understand what is the meaning of this all types and various things related to that. First of all, there are four categories of trigger, and if you see here, if I simply click on view all automation, then you can see so many options are there. Do we need to work on that or worry about this? No. There are so many options which are not even related to your career. See, let me show you from the beginning. First of all, I'm inside flow. Then right hand side, new flow button. After that, see, so let me clue. So at the bottom you can see these are the various flows options. They are ready-made. They are given ready-made to you. Various categories are there. We are going to discuss about that also. Okay. And if I click on view all automation, you can see there are so many ready-made options for you about flow. And you don't even need to work on that or worry about that because they are not related to your career. Everything is not related to your career. Only few options are related to your career. Because in the same platform, Salesforce is providing the facility of Service Cloud also, Sales Cloud also, the facilities of Community Cloud also, various other facilities are there. And please note that we are going to talk about that step by step. Next, now why these templates are given? Because Salesforce want you guys to learn with some examples. So Salesforce given you some kind of templates, and please note there are 17 types of flows. Okay, different types of flows we can create, and these are templates which are nothing but examples. Let me show you any random example. Example means just an example, that's it. Click. You can see Salesforce is giving you example just for your self study. You can see example, that's it, nothing else. Templates are specifically focusing on giving you examples, that's it. Okay, next. After that, let me tell you that there are almost 30 plus different types of templates, and you can refer them in your job right now. In current situation, you don't need this. Okay. You may refer them in your job. Okay. Next. Now let's talk about the categories of flow. That is useful. That is important to understand. So let me show you about the categories of flow. In which categories we can differentiate the flow? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me talk about those. First is triggered flow. Some people call them as a trigger automation flow. Some call trigger flow. Depends on interviewer. When we should use this? First of all, understand that the core part of the flow is to perform something automatically. That's it. To perform something automatically. So trigger flow. When you want to start a flow, when any record is created, updated, at that time you want to call a flow, then go for this. Record created, updated, then you can go for this. Next, schedule flow. Suppose I want on coming 5 January, a specific work should be done automatically. Maybe I will forget. Maybe I don't remember. Maybe I'm going to be in traveling. Maybe no internet. So I want automatically something to happen, some work to happen. Go for scheduled flow. Third, screen automation. Very simple to understand. Whenever you want to provide a screen to the customer where customer can enter the data, some information, and then only you can perform some automation. Without taking data from customer, it's not possible for you to do anything. It's not possible for you to do anything. Then go for screen flow. And finally, auto launch flow. Okay, now sometimes people get confused by schedule flow and auto launch flow. Let me tell you that schedule is about a fixed time and date, and auto launch means by coding. By coding, if you want to launch a flow, no matter user is present, not present, user is doing something, not doing anything, just you want from a code to call a flow, then you go for auto launch flow. Guys, a small quiz for you. So can you tell me in your words what is triggered flow? In your words, tell me what is triggered flow. Good. Whenever any record is inserted or updated, then you want to perform some automation, then we go for triggered flow. Schedule flow. Tell me something about schedule flow. What is schedule flow? When do you schedule flow? Good. Whenever you want to schedule a flow, you want to perform automation on a specific date and time, then you go for schedule automation, screen automation, or screen flow. Tell me, screen flow. Good. Whenever you want to take some input from the user, at that time, screen flows are only going to be helpful for you, not other flows. Okay. And finally, auto launch flow. Automatically, they should launch without any intervention from you or me. Automatically. Yes, good. So whenever from any code we want to launch a flow, at that time we use this facility, auto launch flow. Very good. See guys, there are so many options in the flow. As I already shown you, so many items, so many options are there. From that we are going to see whatever is part of our agenda. And apart from that, also let me tell you, to give you, but still to give you the information about this flow and how they have connection with various other clouds like commerce cloud, etc., which you can use in your job whenever you are going to work on this various other cloud. We are going to give you some information also about that in the next session. And also, as told you in the demo session, we are going to learn this flow, few sessions and few live sessions and few videos, as told you in the demo. So that also we are going to do. So 2-3 days we are going to learn flow, and you are going to be getting multiple videos also along with that. Now it's time to proceed to get today's video, which is the last set of video. Yesterday workflow rule, today process builder, and that's it. And then you will be all set to focus on flow. So look at this chat option and tell me, are you able to see the video? So that your background will be ready, and then from tomorrow we can learn full-fledged flows. Please click and tell me, video working? The process builder video working? Good. Fine. So please copy that carefully. Anyways, after few hours, I will add them into notice board also. So nothing to worry. And that's it. So today's agenda is over. Go through the videos. And as your background will be ready, then from tomorrow, we are going to focus on full-fledged flow. So let's meet tomorrow.